I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your first quilt. To begin, select a straightforward pattern such as a simple 9-patch or a basic strip quilt, which is perfect for beginners. You'll want to choose about 3 to 5 coordinating cotton fabrics, roughly 1 yard of each, for a cozy throw-sized project. Make sure to gather your essential tools: a sharp rotary cutter, a self-healing cutting mat, an acrylic ruler, and your trusty sewing machine. Remember to pre-wash and press all your fabrics to prevent any future shrinking or color bleeding. Now let's move on to cutting and piecing. Accuracy is key here. Use your rotary cutter and acrylic ruler to precisely cut your fabric into the required strips or squares, following your chosen pattern's instructions. When sewing, always maintain a consistent 1/4 inch seam allowance. This is crucial for your blocks to fit together perfectly. After each seam, press your seams either open or to one side to ensure your quilt blocks lie nice and flat. You can also try chain piecing to speed up the process. With your quilt top complete, it's time to create the quilt sandwich. Lay your backing fabric face down, then center your batting on top, and finally, place your quilt top face up on the batting. Secure these 3 layers together using plenty of safety pins, basting spray, or even some hand basting stitches. Next, decide on your quilting method. You can do simple straight line quilting, try free motion quilting, or even hand quilt for a traditional touch. Remember to stitch through all 3 layers, starting from the center and moving outwards to keep everything smooth. You're almost done. The final step is adding the binding. First, carefully trim any excess batting and backing fabric, making sure all your quilt edges are perfectly even and square. Next, prepare your binding strips. Typically, these are cut 2 1/2 inches wide and then joined together to form one long strip. Attach this binding to the front of your quilt, sewing with a precise 1/4 inch seam allowance. Finally, fold the binding over to the back and either hand stitch or machine stitch it down for a beautiful, clean finish. Congratulations on your first quilt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.